Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer photos or videos from your Android phone to your laptop or PC in a very simple way without losing quality. So let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your Android phone. Now go to your personal chat. You can create a chat with yourself or use any personal chat where you want to send the files. After opening the chat, tap on the attachment icon or link button. Here you will see many options. Now tap on Document instead of Gallery. After that, choose Select from Gallery and select the photos or videos that you want to transfer. Now tap on the Send button. We are using the Document option because it sends the original file without reducing the quality or compressing the image or video. After sending the files from your phone, move to your laptop or PC. Now open WhatsApp Web or the WhatsApp desktop app and open the same chat. Here you will see the photos or videos that you sent from your phone. Simply click on the download button to save them to your computer. Once the download is complete, your photos or videos will be available on your laptop or PC in full quality. And that's it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, then subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates.